Oh, sweet mother of God. Now, I don't have any fade, I'm sorry. Jeez, calm the frick down. They're going crazy. We had a fade. It's the chick apocalypse. It's the chicken apocalypse. They're gonna kill us all. Hey everyone, it's me. And I'm videoing today about chickens because I'm bored as frick. Yeah, I'm that bored. I'm videoing chickens. Hello, little guys. Say something. Fuck you. Hey, what do you gotta say? I hate my life. I just want to end it all. Just make sure that no one freaking ever records me on tape. Wait. Okay, this one's Roman free because, well, yeah, I got bored, so. Go look at him! This doesn't mean that I'm back for good. I just wanted to make another video because I figured that you guys missed it or something like that. So I decided to make another video about chickens and a dog. He's the cutest thing ever. I love him so much. I love him so much. And there went the cat. So yeah. You just follow me. Aren't you the cutest? Look at you. Look at you. Come here. Merry Christmas, guys. This is my present to all of you, my 110 subscribers. I'm very, very proud that I've gotten this far, and I'm not going to turn back in. I'm not going to turn back now. Now, what are you doing? Are you hungry too? You have no food. It's probably warm somewhere for you guys. I don't say. Yeah, so I got like super bored, so I'm recording animals. Hey, puppy! Hey, cool! Python? What are you doing? What are you doing? I love you so much. Isn't he the cutest dog in the world? Isn't he? We got bees over there. Yeah, we're having a bee farm up in here. It's gonna be cool. We're gonna have so much honey. Honey for my bears. We don't have any bears, but well, we're gonna end it here. See you guys later.